Hi, this is Drew Zahn, Communications Director for the Family Leader, here with Chuck Hurley, who is a lead counsel for the Family Leader as well, with a special edition of TFL's Capital Connection. We are outside the Polk County Courthouse in downtown Des Moines, where the heartbeat law was just had a hearing on an injunction. And big fancy word, injunction. Chuck, tell us what happened today in the courtroom.
All the parties and their lawyers were present. However, the lawyer for the state was just hired 2 days ago, so they did not have time to prepare a full case. We didn't have evidence or witnesses. We just had an agreement by the parties to postpone the matter until we have enough time, we, the pro-life state and governor and interested parties, till we have enough time to prepare a full defense.
Now, the phraseology here, in injunction, means the law won't go into effect on July 1 as planned. There was a stipulation today. Can you explain what a stipulation is?
Stipulation just means agreement between the parties. And then the judge said in open court today on the record that he approved of the agreement or the stipulation. So unless this case is tried and decided by June 30, the stay means that the law won't go into effect July 1 as it was planned to go into effect by the legislature. That would be bad. That would mean abortions could continue. However, the only way to save thousands or hundreds of thousands of lives is to put on a really good case.
Good. So there is a lot of legal wrangling that's going on behind the scenes whenever a case like this gets into the judicial system. Here are the key points, to boil it down, that you need to remember, take away from this. The first one is that babies' lives are just too precious to put up a rushed legal defense. And that's why today's events went down the way they are. We're going to delay hearing this case until a good and thorough legal defense can be put up to try to save those babies' lives. The second thing you need to remember is that we are looking at the long term here. Abortion in America was not going to be decided this morning. Abortion in Iowa wasn't going to be resolved this morning. But what we are doing here in Iowa is leading the way, initiating a conversation on when does life begin, a question that courts like the one behind us this morning haven't honestly taken a look at or tried to answer in more than 45 years. But we are starting that conversation, and we are confident that when Americans can see all of the facts, when they can look into the womb and hear the full case, they'll see that the child in her mother's womb, she's a baby. You know, Bob Vander Plaats was here with us here this morning as well. Before the case began, he was in the courtroom, and he had some comments to share with you as well.
Here we are in the Polk County Courthouse, round one of the legal process on Iowa's heartbeat law. We believe this is the road that will go to overturn Roe v. Wade. We're going to keep you updated at the Family Leader all the time. We're inside the courtroom today. We will keep you updated real time. If you want to get text message alerts, please go to thefamilyleader.com, sign up for our text message alerts so you stay updated on all the prayer needs and all the happenings with hashtag She's a Baby.